Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Acura MDX Bonnet, easy method. Start by pulling the interior hood release lever on the driver's side until you hear the latch pop. Move to the front, reach under the center of the hood and locate the secondary safety catch. Push it aside and lift gently. If your MDX uses a support rod, secure it into the designated slot to hold the bonnet safely while you work. Once the hood is popped, the secondary latch is the key step to opening the bonnet fully. Use your fingertips to find the catch under the hood center. Push it sideways while lifting to release the hood. If the latch resists, a little lubricant can help free it without force. For limited access or tight spaces, enlist a helper to raise the hood slightly while you operate the catch for a safer, smoother process. After lifting, secure the bonnet with the support rod or verify the hydraulic struts hold it up firmly. Slide the rod into the designated hole or gently test the struts to confirm stability before leaning into the engine bay. Keep hands clear of pinch points and remove loose clothing while you work. To close, lower the hood until about knee height, then let it drop to latch, and give the leading edge a light push to ensure it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.